Meaning of duplex.
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 Duplex. Duplex refers to something that has two parts or operates on two channels simultaneously, such as a duplex apartment or a duplex printer. In the context of communications, it refers to the ability to send and receive data at the same time over a single channel or connection. Duplex communication is commonly used in telephone systems, computer networks, and radio communications, among others. This allows for more efficient and effective communication, as both parties can transmit and receive information without needing to take turns or wait for one another.